Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I think this is going to be the very first video, like first reaction video since I separated my reaction video to my main channel. So welcome to this channel. So what time is it? It's currently 11:09 at night. Well, it's 12:09 in Korea right now. It's 12 in Korea, and they've finally released the ENHYPEN Untold Concept Cinema. So that's the video that we're going to react to today. So just bear with us because it's already nighttime and everyone's sleeping in the rooms, so we can't shout. The best we can do is this. So I'm going to put the microphone near so that you can hear whatever is happening. So let's record our screen. Okay, so here it is. So I hope you're seeing this screen now. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Breaking news. The nation is in the midst of a massive vampire extermination operation. Government and military authorities have issued an urgent statement declaring an end to any coexistence between humans and vampires. The streets are filled with citizens demanding the eradication of vampires, while special forces across the universe.
Do the special forces know that they're vampires or no?
No, I don't think so.
해는 완전히 저물었어.
Oh wait, no, they know.
지금 떠나야 해.
Oh, okay, so that's why they were hunting them.
Yeah.
So those were the ones that inside the bags that they were carrying in the...
I thought it's one.
Magnanakaw pala sila, ti. I thought they were like robbers.
Diba? Wah, wah. May pagano. Wah, wah. Sabi ganyan ako na dito wakas. Wow, secret spies.
He said,
See? They're wanted.
Oh,
They're being hunted.
all over the, like, wanted vampire. This is the one that we saw. We thought they were carrying like money.
Rifles.
So it actually is. They had like big guns and stuff. Romance untold. Sorry. Ay.
야 뭐해?
Who is that?
왜안
Jongwon, right? Why aren't you going? It's like it's the same piano that they had like in the first music video.
없어.
Yeah.
그게 무슨 소리야?
Chloe? Who on earth is Chloe?
리버필드에 클로에 들어가기로 약속했어.
Wait a minute. I think I lost a chapter. Who is Chloe?
Who is Chloe?
Wait.
Wait. Akala ko ba walang babae?
Wait, I don't remember a Chloe in the
Akala ko
story.
si Suha. Akala ko si Suha lang yung tao nila.
No, but di ba sabi niya Chloe?
Yeah.
Hindi Suha?
Oh. Ay, no, Chloe is a human. Si Chloe. Who the heck is Chloe?
클로에는 인간이야.
Oh, Chloe nga.
우리를 추방하고 죽이려는 종족이라고. 클로에는
Maybe
그런
it's just
인간들이랑은 다르지.
a new one.
She's different from
나도
those
같은
human.
생각이야. 그녀를
Wow,
데려가야 돼.
Wattpad.
클로에가 어디 있는지 알고 있어.
I know where she is.
오래 안 걸릴 거야.
Gwapo ni Jake.
I love the hair.
위험할 수도 있어. 그래도 다들 후회.
It's the full moon. It's already the full moon. They're in front of the church. So are they going to get her or no?
So who's driving?
I don't know, I'm not sure. They won't show us because no one drives.
Yeah.
No one in ENHYPEN.
It's Jay.
그녀는
Oh,
우리
It's Jake!
유일한 인간이었다.
Chloe was the only human who protected us.
우리는 그녀를 위하여
Oh, yeah.
음악을 만들었고
Oh, we made music for her.
Ah, so yun yung nasa
Siya nga yung
poster
kasama,
eh.
oo.
그녀와 우리를 하나
And that always brought us together. So is she from the orphanage? Kasi di ba dun sila tumutugtog?
Oh. Ayan, si Chloe.
Ayan si Chloe. Sa orphanage nga yan.
So siya nga yung... So,
Siya yung... So POV niya yung ano,
yung nasa orphanage.
give and taken.
Yeah.
우리의
She recorded our music.
Akala ko si Suha, baka Chloe pala yung
Ako din.
pangalan niya.
So she is from the orphanage.
수많은 멜로디를 만들어냈고 오직
Wow.
Kunyari,
Since
marunong.
when?
노래를 하고
Since when?
춤을 추었다.
Since when does he play the violin?
Wow. Sana all.
Earphone in phone lang si Kuya mo Songhun.
Pwede siya. Sige,
Wow.
konti
Robotics.
Lang, konti lang magsasabay na
번째
sila.
악보와 테이프는 쌓여져 갔다.
The sheet music tapes had piled up. So they do
이
drink
모든
blood
것이
in front of her.
우리의 추억이었다.
Alam ni girl.
So that's why sinabi
Sabi
niya
niya
na
siya lang
she's
yung,
different from all the other
그와
humans.
Siya lang yung nag-protect.
리버필드로 떠날 것이다.
River Field.
So are they going to get her or what? Well, so is like Chloe wasn't adopted
in-
by any human parents probably.
그냥 자연스럽게
Get your
지나가면
gun.
되는 거야.
Also, they're acting like humans, but they're wanted. So, they're going to be checked. They're going to be checked.
Wait, they're wanted. Pero,
So a lot. Who is that? Who is that?
wait,
That's-
they're vampires but they're using guns.
Right. Maybe they don't really want to like.
Or, hindi ba nag-ano yung ano nila? Hindi pa lumalabas.
What was the? Was he speaking English?
I think so.
Hindi ba wanted sila? Oh, they're
So
they're
what is-
speaking in English.
Sounds good.
The expensive
Boys better
English.
get home quickly. It's getting crazy out there.
I want to rewind
Hindi
it.
ba may mga picture? They had pictures pasted everywhere.
They're
So
wanted
why?
vampire. Pero bakit parang
Hindi sila kilala.
Vampires confirmed.
All units cleared to fire.
That whole trailer.
So they knew.
See, those users. They're new? They knew.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Bakit may baril din sa gilid? Parang wala namang tao doon.
Hindi, meron.
Music store. Oh no! Nandyan ba si Parang masarap yan.
Crunch.
Crunch.
Nakapagutom tuloy.
Please tell me they're not there.
They're not dead. They're vampires.
I mean, they're not there.
There.
I just hope they're not there. Presumed dead? Feeling ko wala na sila dyan.
Hindi. Andyan sila.
Oh, di ba? Ito.
Ay! Sa ano?
Wala sila, T! Ay, okay.
Andyan sila. Nagkukunyari lang silang patay.
I mean, hindi lang pala sila kita doon. Kanina.
Wait. Ayun yung nasa ano. Kasi trailer. Yung nag...
Oo! Oo!
Wow! Ang ganda ng labi eh.
Ang gwapo.
Hindi ko ina-expect kayo sa ano yun. Ang wow! Wait, isa pa.
Another one.
Another one.
Yung ball, yung babal. Ang gwapo niya doon. Isa pa, one.
Oh, gwapo dito.
Oh my God!
Sige pa. Ang init. Ang init. Wait, si Sono pa lang yan. Kalma. Gusto ko ipagsipa niya sa sarili niya. May purpose pala yung ano niya, yung ipaghila sa kanya sa Fatal Trouble.
Jongwon. Jongjae! Sino yun? Sino si Jongjae? Si Jaewon?
Yung Jay. May purpose pala yung Fatal Trouble.
Oo. Jaewon.
Si Nikki. Baby ko. Uy, tumatalon sa...
Sino yun? Ay,
Reinforcement.
bago pala. Akala ko may wait. Kakampi sila. Ang gwapo niya dun.
Hoy! Nikki tayo!
Hindi tayo.
Ayan na.
Ayun na, si Songhon mo.
Reinforcement. Wow. Pogi.
Sabi niya. Pagwapo yun. Sa pato. Ayun si Jake.
Ganun
Yung
kayo,
gwapo.
sumasabay yung ano nila, yung mukha.
Di ba? Nagre-record.
Uy, sorry.
Teka lang. Ako din. Parang ako'y binaril.
What? Ay, sagatan ka na.
Wala ba silang ano? Wala ba silang bulletproof? Wala ba silang bulletproof chest? Bulletproof.
Be?
Yung dibdib yung bulletproof yung dibdib. Bulletproof chest.
Dibdib pala yung bulletproof, hindi na pala
Hindi
yung
yung ano best.
Si Jungwon meron. Bakit parang hindi sila nauubusan?
Ano ba yun?
Oo,
Sorry, ang ingay namin.
Papagalitan na kami. Dapat, guys, matutulog na kami. Pinapatulog na kasi
Pinapagulog
kami.
na kami talaga pero
Pero
we're
kasi
here.
lumabas yung...
Ano nangyari?
Buhay sila dapat. Asa si Son? Hindi na siya tumayo sa sahig. Ayan. Sabi ko nga.
Hintay ka lang daw. Tatayo pa sila.
Sino yung tumatay? Si Nikki? Songhon.
Si Songhon. Akala ko naging
Zombie na siya. So hot. So hot.
Asa yung iba?
Oh, the same.
Hindi ba yung...
The same.
Hindi ba yung sa drunk days?
Drunk days
Drunk
daw?
days? Drunk days? Drunk
Drunk what? Give and take it.
days. Hindi, drunk.
Fever.
Drunk.
Drunk days, nasa ano sila ba? Nasa
Drunk,
bahay
hindi,
sila.
ano yun? Hindi yun nga, yung umiinom ng dugo yung nalulunod sa dugo ng fountain sin Sono.
Ay, sumasayaw siya mag-isa.
Oo. Drunk.
Drunk days nga.
O, drunk days ka to. Di ba yun yun? Yung sumasayaw siya na may dugo. Parang
Ayaw nga,
ganyan.
no?
Yan yun.
Pero orphanage yun eh. Ay,
hindi,
bahay
parang
yun
bahay
eh.
lang siya.
Yung bahay na sinasayawan nila.
Oo.
Ayan. Ayan yun.
Ayan yun.
Oh, ayan yun.
Yan mo yung camera.
Lugar ni Chloe.
Oo. Asan si Chloe?
Asa si Chloe? Iniwan nga nila si Chloe.
So, hindi yun orphanage.
Hindi siya orphanage. So, music ano lang siya. Music store.
Music store. Ay, may ano. XOX.
Extra.
Asan yung iba?
Patay nga,
Nahiga
diba?
na lang?
Nahiga. Ano ba? Bida nga si Songhon.
Kayo na sasakyan yan. Sira na yung sasakyan nila, di ba? Sumabog.
Oh. Gagi hindi.
Kayo na yan. Ay,
Uy, sino to?
si Hi.
Wait lang, bumabalik.
Si Hi. Si Hi. Ano yun?
Hindi naman sila tinamaan sa ulo, so hindi sila patay. Pero,
Ay, yung
paralyzed.
tumutugtog ba?
Bakit parang feeling ko yan
Yung ano
tunog
yan,
ng
ah?
ano nila?
Hindi ba yan yun?
Alin?
Tan, 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 tan. Oh.
Ano tunog?
Ano to? Ay, si Nikki.
Si Nikki ni... Nak! Ang gwapo! Ano ba yan? Injured pero ang gwapo.
Ayun na. Andiyan na si Sono. Yung...
Ako parang... Hindi ba yan yung walk the line nila?
Hindi ko sure. Wala, naiyak si Jongwon.
Hello! Baby ko! Ay, hindi ko pala siya baby.
Ay.
Ah, so siya rin ang tumutugtog.
Siya yung tumutugtog
Video
noon.
ni ano...
Si
ni Chloe.
Chloe yung kumuha.
Ah, nirecord nila.
Ay, yung piano, no? Yun yung
Wow,
music.
Our Hinge Prince. Ay, pwede ba ako
오직 너만 줄 수 있는 허락의 말.
Ayun yun, yung comeback.
So, kasama siya sa comeback.
Yun yung
Only
comeback
if you say
song.
yes.
So, hindi... So, album title ba siya?
Oh! Huh? Summer. Sana all may summer. Oh. Gwapo talaga.
Ayun yung tugtog.
So, saan na siya? So, eto sila before silang malaman na zombie.
New character unlocked. Zombie daw.
Vampire.
New character unlocked.
So, ito yung before na malaman sila yung vampire.
Ito.
Tapos, paano sila nalaman na vampire?
Yun, wala pa. Malalaman natin soon.
Malalaman sila ano.
So, I was confused because during Weaver's concert, di ba?
Oh.
During the Weaver's concert, they hinted this only if you say yes sentence. I'm still not sure. Hindi pa rin sure kung album name ba siya or yung title nung yung ano nila, yung comeback song. So, hindi pa natin sure. We're still
Pero
not
kasi,
sure.
Feeling ko title ng song kasi Romance Untold ang ano nila.
Ah, yeah.
Diba?
Romance
Last
Untold.
concept
Okay,
ata ng-
so we think Only If You Say Yes is a song. Pero hindi pa rin tayo sure kung comeback song yun or
Oo.
part lang siya ng album.
Parang lang siya yung
Sa album lang siya. Oo, parang Walk the Line lang siya. Parang
Sana naman.
ano na naman, instrumental na naman yung
Diba?
babungad sa atin. Yun lang yun.
Pag si Jake ang ano, wag si Jake ang bungad.
Alam
Dalawa lang yan. Hit song or ano siya? Intro.
Intro song lang. So, that's our reaction to Enhypen Untold Concept Cinema. So we watched for like
5 minutes.
25 minutes.
No. 11:09 tayo nagsimula.
Okay. So, almost 25 minutes. So, yeah. We were stunned. We were confused. We were all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the
Wow.
above. So, all in all, we actually expected this one. Like, cinema, like literal movie concepts type of film siya. Pero, we're still confused where Chloe came from. So, if you guys know, I think, hindi ko alam kung saan siya nanggaling.
Ang alam ko lang
I
sa
can't
mga-
remember a Chloe.
Bakit dalawa na yung ano natin?
Yun nga. Like, I never heard of a Chloe ever. Sa, ano nila.
Alam ko sa story
So,
nila sa webtoon, dalawa
dalawa.
si Suha.
Pero hindi ko sinabing si Chloe yun.
Oo, hindi mo si Chloe yun.
So, sa webtoon, iba siya. So, we'll see. We'll see sa future releases na if may mga future, papasok pa ba si Chloe in the future somewhere. Kasi hindi naman siya pinakita. Pinakita siya like, yung ganun lang.
Snippet.
Pero hindi pinakita yung,
Snippet ba?
hindi pinakita yung mukha niya or kung si English name ba yun ni Suha o ano. So, yun. So, that's
Pero guys, ang
all. Yes. Stunned pa rin ako dun sa, ano.
Diba?
Ibig sabihin, ganun kalaki yung nangyari na ganun siya kalaking extermination ng vampires na yung mga police nila galing sa ibang bansa.
Diba?
Para siyang, it's the same thought ng Interpol connecting sa mga cases overseas. So, parang ganun siya. So, parang super big
Or ito
siyang
yung
extermination.
umalis na sila sa ano. Possible na ito yung
Oo.
umalis na sila ng vampire.
Yes. Ito na yung umalis
Kasi
sila.
binabasa niya yung webtoon
Webtoon.
nila. Ano niya?
Guys, basahin niyo yung webtoon.
Basahin niya yung webtoon.
Maganda
Mas
talaga siya.
maintindihan
Mas
niyo
may
siya,
intento
guys.
talaga. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung saan nanggaling si Chloe.
Oo, hindi ko malalakas. Nasa si Chloe? Sino si Chloe?
Yun. So, we'll figure that out. Soon. Malalaman natin yan. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please comment, subscribe, share this video, like, comment pa kayo if there's videos that you want us to react. Maybe for N o'clock, yung future apps, siguro. We may not be together, but we'll do it like the old style that I do sa previous channel ko, which is like Discord or other sites na pwede ko siyang gamitin for our reaction videos. So, yun. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that. So,
Sakto.
it's 11:28. We need to sleep because tomorrow is a big day. So, kailangan na naming matulog. So, say good night, Asia.
Good night, guys. Sana magustuhan nyo.
Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching and see you on our next video. Bye-bye!